Welcome back, everybody. It's Monday. Never morning here on this channel. Very rarely. It's noon, all right? I'm gonna knock out this trailer load of mulch with my man Chris. Other boys are out of town, so call him in. He does amazing work, puts in a lot of effort. And the mission right now, get that trailer unloaded in about an hour, hour and a half, 6 scoops. We just gotta roll it down the hill, back up a hill, and it's done. So hopefully he can keep up, and hopefully my pains from soccer on Sunday don't slow me down too much. Because yeah, playing goalkeeper against some college level soccer players, shoulders are hurting, thumbs been jammed. Good times, right? I'll tell you this, your brain will tell you you're young, your body will disagree many times. Feeling good right now. Took some ibuprofen, so we're gonna knock this out.
Try to get your sticks and stuff. Get close to it. Everything else covered? I just got piles.
All right, so go show you real quick what he's been walking up and down. If you watched last video, you know what we're hitting on right now. Got down there. Yeah, he's got the hard road today because he's the young buck on the crew. So wraps around down here. So we're doing that bank. Alright, I'll show you real quick. So I'm gonna grab the blower real quick. I'm gonna blow all that swag off the edge. And from down there, blow some of this swag over just a little bit back in the wood lines, because we're taking that mulch bed from that wall edge over here, going up these trees. So yeah, we're gonna just make it look good. All right, got that back area prepped now. I'm gonna keep on mulching. If you see above me, this beautiful tree, it's a Japanese maple. Gigantic and beautiful. Got 2 of them right here. I'll show you. When you're doing excavation and reshaping your beds, landscaping projects, you have this tree with that kind of roots on it. What you don't want to do, if at all possible, is chop huge life sources off these trees. This root came from right down here, because whoever did the demolition work here wasn't paying attention, wasn't being careful. They just ripped it right out. So pay attention to what you're doing, because that tree can't replace that. If it dies out on one side because of that root, it's not replaceable. You have to get rid of it and replant. Think about what you're doing out here all times for the benefits of your clients, because they're looking forward to a beautiful, beautiful sodded yard, and so am I, because I can take care of it. We'll check back in. So an hour and a half in, we got the 6 scoops taken care of. Head down here, boom. So whatever we had left on that slope, that bank, took all 6 scoops. Figured it would. It's still early. I'm gonna go pick up a load, probably 2 more loads today if needed. And show you this real quick. Chris is gonna spread, and he's gonna prep this area up here in the wall. Show you these 2 things real quick, and then I'm gonna roll across town. So this area here is what needs to be prepped on the wall. We'll take some of this and shove it over here and fill in low spots. Not a whole lot to do around the foundation. There's a little bit of high spot here. We'll level that out. And then down there at the patio, down there, we'll just take it off the patio edge, like, you know, that deep, so the mulch can sit in there. So, that's the main mission right there. Get that mulch spread and then prep that wall. I did leave him the blower just in case he finishes up. No need to sit around and do nothing. We got leaves up here at the front that eventually have to be cleaned up anyways, so he can blow. But I've got a trip across town. It takes about, probably 40 minutes, maybe an hour, probably an hour back and forth. But I'll check back in. We'll see how all his work looks. Cool. Ta-da. So, my man Chris knocked out the spreading job and all the wheel burning down the hill for me. Thank you. Appreciate it very much. Especially today after that soccer match. So we're gonna jump over here, prep the area above the wall, and keep on rolling through the mission. Still got some bushes to trim, we'll get some footage of, and some stuff around the front, finish those pine trees. Stick with us. What time is it? No, it's 5:20. Look, we got this all mulched up. I'll turn the camera around real quick, and I'm gonna go up top because I'm tired, ready to finish this up. I'll show you though. Looks good.